And special thanks to our friends at DSP Professional, who were nice enough to send us this model 40,002 3-in-1 rechargeable nose trimmer. You can see rotary blades and washable head. It's rechargeable, so you never have to worry about batteries or anything like that. It does include the charging cable, 12 hours of charge, high speed, 3-in-1 rotary blades, just company info, just specs here on the back about the USB power. It looks like it's only 3 watts, and there's a 400 milliamp hour battery. Charging time is 12 hours, and the working time is 40 minutes. Let's open it up and show you what comes in here. That's it for the box. So we have a nice instruction guide here, and then here is your included USB-A cable that goes to like the normal, most shavers use this little plug. I don't know what this plug's called, but that's what all shavers normally use. And then look at that, we got this little trimmer here. Very, very nice. We also have this trimmer here, also very nice. Little cleaning tool, and then that's it for that. The actual nose trimmer, little guard on top. That's where you plug it in at on the bottom to charge. Very lightweight, very nice. And you just power it on and trim your nose hairs. So essentially, that's really it. To change these, you just turn and they pop off if you wanted to, put one of these on or something like that. Nice and easy. But really, that'll do it for this DSP Professional Nose Trimmer. Thanks again to the company who was nice enough to send this to me to unbox and show you. Thank you all for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Deuces.